Good morning, guys. Today, I'm super pumped to be back on the Sony ZV-1. Right now, we are on our way to Englishtown Raceway Park right now, where they are basically getting prepped for Formula Drift New Jersey. Really, like, heavy hitters that are there right now. You got Rad Dan, you got Dylan Hughes, you got Matt Field. But this is the cool video because it's more like the calm before the storm. You get to see what they have to do in order to get ready for FD. Man, Jersey drivers. Speaking of the guy,
where are you at?
drop some wheels, boy. What's up?
So,
Good.
Boysburg's about a test right now, so I don't know if I can leave for Falken.
No worries. We got Chris's car, his EcoBoost E46 here, ready to party for ProBroDown. What's up, dude? Oh, yo, what's up, dude? Yo, did you just crush them quesadillas?
Oh yeah, I needed that. Me and Bobby built a bunk bed. I don't want to fall out of it, so I'm making these. Okay, I need.
She ain't going nowhere.
Dos, tres, damn, por favor.
This kind of seemed like a good idea. Pre-thought of pre-spray things. But yeah, mainly car's here, it's running. Let's just get over there. We got a radio too, boys. Hello, my friends. Calipers onto the back so that you get that extra hydraulic handbrake set that you're looking for without doing anything. Closing pit. Yeah, we're gonna shout out to Kansai. Alright guys, so this is all the tires for FD. I was wondering why we didn't have any 615s to go drifting this weekend, and just happened to be all the pro guys took them. So this is all the 615s. Thanks, Max. If I only ordered it like maybe 2 weeks ago, I probably would have been on time. But I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Alright guys, shout out to Falken Tire again. Welcome to Justin's an Idiot. Car is at the track, looking beefy, meaty, and it looks sick. For some reason, I hit the locking mechanism on the actual remote. Said I was gonna regret that. And the battery dies, and we have no play at all on the actual key lock. So we can't get into the car.
You got a wedge?
Prepping for ProBroDown
ASAP, baby.
So we'll show you what's going down in the shop right now. So Jake is setting up his rear tires to go drift Dan. We're gonna put on our fronts, check everything, nut and bolt check. Also raise the car about I wanna say we're gonna raise this car at least a half inch to an inch. Corvette, 240 Corvette, meet legends.
Good old black. Big snap on.
Oh wow!
Damn.
They're fresh.
It's gonna be a hot boy summer. It's gonna be a hot boy summer. You already know the fucking vibes.
His butthole definitely puckered on that one. Was he driving an SRK?
SR. He's nervous, I can tell.
You wanna say what's up?
Nope.
Say hi.
You can work at 10 tomorrow? Nope. How about Wednesday? Wednesday I'm leaving at noon.
I was like, I might work. And I was like, well, if you're gonna work, I'll take the whole week off, and then you can just work as much as you can.
Yeah.
That's both for Friday. Both that is Friday.
Right. That's what I'm saying.
Right? It looks good on the cameras, right? Exactly. Got Dylan's car ready. Everything fuel related in the back. Firewalls up.
We have to be careful. We can't get away with that as a company like she can because she's a nobody. And like,
Man, myth, legend. He works on his own car.
a bigger like name company. Yeah, you wouldn't.
This is what you call Harbor Freight Father's Day special.
Does a weird thing.
Not even.
Like.
Oh, he bought it at full price.
These are no name.
They have
There's
like.
not even a name on this.
No, it's got an extension.
No names on it.
Just pulled up. We got some special parking, but yeah. Shout out to Hennessy for sponsoring the vlog today. I gotta look straight into the camera right now. Okay, now we're good. Yeah, so we just pulled up to E-Town right now. A little cloudy, so hopefully it doesn't rain. Got the boy right here.
Come on, dog. We gotta go.
We got the oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Yeah, sorry guys, I was talking too much, and Jess is mad at me now. I haven't seen this joint in a minute.
Look at the duration of time.
Shout out to Adam LC, bro.
It's really
Chilling.
a strong part of his. Here we go. Second battle. Second rock in this battle. Now off the
I already know the vibes. Hooking it up. VIP. You already know. Thank you. Oh shit.
What's up? How's it going, man?
Been a
Not
minute.
bad. What's up, Mark? How'd you do? Got knocked down in the top 16, but I had 2 more times, and I lost to a guy with 200 more horsepower than me. So
I was sitting for the one more time. I thought I was like, dude, he's gonna have another one more time. That's how it sucks. It's all good.
I gotta go to the Tire Flex tent, do a signing thing. So.
We're in the finals now. No,
I'm a stupid bitch.
Can we like make the what's it called go? Like the finals happen?
Feeling and giving that pressure to Dimitri Brutsky, and now into that. Brutsky puts him in the right place, but I tell you, Austin Meyer. Oh yeah! Slowly turning the heat, and Brutsky in that chase position.
Yeah, this is the final.
Here we go, taking out that front flip, not ideal.
I would have built a stroker though for this. I built a D-stroke. They got a 2.2. Your rod, your pistons can go really hot. Force burger. Oh boy.
Kiss me, baby, one more time. Yeah, this is the FLIPZCO vlog. We're at FD, just hanging out. FLIPZCO guy, Vegas.
FLIPZCO? Good.
Go buy some merch. Go buy some merch.
Buy all the merch.
Best merch. Feels amazing. Fits amazing.
Doesn't shrink.
Doesn't shrink.
Your boy Ryan back out here. So yeah, we took a little break from FD and we're out here in the shop right now. We're about to get the vet into the shop, do some work on it, get it ready for ProBroDown tomorrow. To be honest, I don't know what's going on. I'm just here hanging out. by FLIPZCO, you already know. Yee! Yo, this shit pretty. Yo, look at this shit right here. Yo, bro, might give me a rundown of what's going on right now?
What's up?
Might give me a rundown of what's going on? Nah, I got you. Damn, this shit crazy. Damn, son.
Dude, I think we're good. Now that I'm thinking about it, I was supposed to do brake lines, all this other bullshit, clear the car out. We're looking out for the wall.
So what happened?
Christopher's car broke as per usual. I'm not really sure what happened. I think he's leaking oil out of the manifold, maybe. I don't know.
It's no good.
But that car's always broken. I feel bad.
She was gonna drive your FRS.
Yeah, right. That car's broken too.
All right, guys. So we are at English Town Raceway Park right now, hanging out with the homies for ProBroDown. You got the DUDESKI'S, you got Bobby, you got everybody here, and we're just trying to get Chris's car, Drift Week car, out. Jake. You're the vlog squad.
Hold on.
All right, guys. So we're chilling right now in the AC because it's just way too hot out. It's about like 96 degrees outside. Understand too, this is like my first real lap on the track tandeming with the car. So we're just gonna go out there. It's not the most ideal day to go out to learn a car for the fact that all the pros are shredding. There's so much smoke coming out the cars, and there's more dudes in Pro A group right now that we're just gonna have to try and figure it out. We're gonna drive with Chris. Chris hurt his purple car, so we're gonna just try and stick with him on his red car. Our session's up in 15 minutes. It's 1:45 now. So we'll be out there at 2 o'clock, switch over to the GoPro right about me. so that's gonna end today's video. Super hot, super pumped on the way that the car drove. Had a little mishap, kind of went into the corner. I'm not really sure where the mistake was. We'll find out on the video on the GoPro itself. Special sorry to Chris Knapp. Did not mean to spin whatsoever. It was just one of those situations. It's just driving, it's just drifting, and getting very, very comfortable with the car. If anything to take away from today, we are having a blast driving our C5 Corvette. It is very drift ready, and with little minor imperfections that we're gonna go fix. Today was a really big learning curve on how to get behind the wheel again and really switch things up. So super pumped. If I saw you guys today, it was a blessing. Thank you so much for the support, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.